icons for the youth of our state.
Ya ka Jingpyni nam ka Nyngkong Jong ka STEM Innovation Hub ha ka Jylla la Pynlong ne ka sngi ha Maungap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School. Ha ka ne ka Jingpyni nam la Pynlong ya ka Jing Tibet ha ka liang ka Science, Technology, Engineering bat ka Jing Khen Jing dia kan thup ru ya ka Jing Start Computer. Uswap nil tambe ubadai State Project Director Jong ka Samagra Shiksha habakren hakaneka sngi ula banjur ya ka Jing donkam ban penbaha ya ka Jing tei Jong ki school hakinong kendong kenang ban kring bat wanra ya ka Jing kieu bat ka Jing sngo tenat ya ka subject science haki kena school. Ula penparu ya ka Jing donkam bat ka Jing kodor Jong ki program hikai kum ka STEM.
I would like to thank
It's very important to have these kind of avenues, maths and science. These have great applications in daily life. So that is more important. We need to learn the applied part of it. Science is, yes, important. You have to learn the basic, but applied science is more important. You have to know how in our daily life we can use these scientific principles.
Of course, this STEM, it has really helped our students, not only in their performance, but also it has enhanced in their academic studies.